bush honeysuckle. It's an invasive. There's a native version of honeysuckle that doesn't grow to the enormous size that this thing does. This will grow into a big bush. The native version, you really know it's hard to explain other than you see it. It looks like honeysuckle in the woods, but it's small. It looks like it belongs there. And the one telltale sign is you can cut the pith on the honeysuckle. And so the invasive honeysuckle is a hollow pith versus native honeysuckle is a solid pith. These put out berries that are two red berries in a group. I learned it in dendrology as butt berries because it looks like a little cartoon butt, two red berries. And yeah, it's been planted for years because folks like the looks of the berries and think that it's good for wildlife, but in fact the opposite is true, as is true with any other invasive plant. Fruit from invasive plants can cause reproductive failures and digestive issues for neotropical migratory songbirds and other critters. So the pith is an indicator of if it's a native or invasive. So this is invasive is a hollow brown pith. When the bush gets really big, you can see here the bark almost looks flaky, kind of like a hop hornbeam bark in a way, just like almost like a cat scratched it. Honeysuckle, it's another one of the few oppositely branched species. So if you've heard the acronym MAD-cap horse, MAD is maple, M is maple, A ash, D dogwood, and cap is Caprifoliaceae. So this is the Caprifoliaceae family, and horse chestnut are also opposite leaf, but it's a opposite branched. So it's another good way to identify that's opposite branched.